poisonous flytrap has leaves that are lined with interlocking teeth. It too has a hair trigger. It attracts insects by producing a sweet perfume, just as a flower does. A wasp has been lured into the danger zone. Distracted, a mistake is inevitable. A touch? Nothing happens. But the plant has remembered. A single touch could be made by a twig or a raindrop, but another within 20 seconds means prey. Digestive juices flood the chamber, and the victim is doomed. The flytrap now has enough energy to produce flowers and attract pollinating insects.